A little inspiration can go a long way. If you have a bedroom that is lacking personality, or if you're just tired with what you have, see how color, accessories, and lighting can take your room from drab to fab. Take a look at these 10 incredible before and after bedroom makeovers. Number 1. Before. Walls in bold shades of burgundy, cobalt, and mustard can be pretty hard to work with, especially for a Scandinavian design aficionado. After. Take one room in varying shades of mismatched jewel tones, add a fresh coat of white paint, and voila, you have a clean slate for your Scandinavian dream bedroom. Number 2. Before. This bedroom lacks color, texture, and visual interest. The open bookshelves are unkempt, and the clutter in the corner makes the room feel chaotic. After. Here, Emily used a textured cream and gold pattern to upgrade drab walls while still maintaining a neutral and sophisticated color palette. The moss green and coral hues give the space an upbeat feel with a hint of retro flair. Number 3. Before. This bedroom feels devoid of personality and life. Simplicity can be awesome and make a major impact, but not if the result is lifeless. Needless to say, this room was calling for a dramatic makeover. After. This bedroom makeover only includes elements that Joanna could take with her on her next move. With the room kept white, the impact here comes from personality-packed pieces, like the tufted headboard and patterned pillows. Number 4. Before. A 3-foot-deep, second-story crawl space used to occupy part of this home was left empty. After. Knocking through the upstairs crawl space uncovered enough square footage to tuck a guest nook below the eaves in the office, delineating the workspace and the guest bedroom. Number 5. Before. This simple white bedroom, which was basically a blank slate, was transformed using super simple touches. After. Beautify your bed frame fast with a removable wall covering. This adhesive vinyl wall covering creates the illusion of a luxurious, tufted headboard. Complete the look with a mix of linens in graphic prints and cool tones. Number 6. Before. Clutter and an awkward bed placement occupied this master bedroom. After. No major construction necessary here. Fabric, wallpaper, and furniture placement made a world of difference. The orange headboard was reupholstered in Brochier's grey cotton twill, then moved the bed to a different wall, where it now sits between 2 sunny windows. Number 7. Before. The bedroom's grey walls were dreary, and the ceiling light picked up too much of the popcorn ceiling texture. After. One solution to the dreary carpeting woes was to add a colourful area rug on top of the carpeting. The solution for the ceiling problem was to install a new lower light fixture. Number 8. Before. When you're bursting with home design ambition yet living in a rental apartment, compromises must be made. After. Melinda was able to turn a problematic space with numerous obstacles into an utterly enchanting bedroom. She began by painting the bottom half of the walls black. Number 9. Before. This master bedroom felt lifeless and flat. The paint scheme was cold, and nothing about it was cozy. Most importantly, the bedroom needed brightening. After. By sticking to a palette of pale grey and white with touches of taupe, it lightened up the room. Pretty pillows adorn the bed, while bamboo shades give the room a warmer, more natural feeling. Number 10. Before. The bedrooms had old dingy carpet, textured walls with glossy white paint, white metal mini blinds, and popcorn ceilings with old white ceiling fans. And worst of all, there was no storage. After. The makeup livened up the small bedroom with a floral headboard, new curtains, and a sunburst mirror. She added instant storage by adding 2 standalone closets flanking the bed.